I was over shooting the snake stuff, and up in there in that tree up there's a woodpecker nest. I couldn't tell if it was a downy woodpecker or a hairy woodpecker, but you can hear those guys going crazy. And when I first walked up here, it was feeding time. There was an adult here. I didn't get a good enough look at it because I was scrambling to try to get some pictures or some movies or something, but I'm going to zoom in now, and hopefully we'll get to see the next feeding time. That's the objective. See the next feeding time. Zoom in. Ah! Oh, that's me. There's the hole right there.